To begin with, cryptography simply means the science of protecting information, making sure only the right people can read, change, or use it. Have you ever wondered how your crypto transactions stay safe and verified, even without a bank or middleman? That's the power of cryptography. It's the invisible guard that keeps your data secure in the digital world. In Web3, cryptography forms the foundation of everything from creating wallets and signing transactions to verifying who owns what. But cryptography doesn't work alone. It uses special techniques to keep things secure. Two of the most important ones are encryption and hashing. 1. Encryption and hashing, the core tools of cryptography. Think of cryptography as the big umbrella, and encryption and hashing as the tools under it. They both protect information, but in slightly different ways. Encryption is all about privacy. It takes readable information and scrambles it into secret code, so that only someone with the right key can unlock it. For example, if you send a message like send 1 ETH to Collade, encryption turns it into random characters like A7B at 9 #ZP. Only Collade, who has the right decryption key, can unlock and read it. Hashing, on the other hand, is about integrity, making sure data hasn't been changed. It takes any piece of information and converts it into a unique digital fingerprint called a hash. Once hashed, it can't be reversed. Like blending fruits into a smoothie, you can't get the fruits back. Even a tiny change in the data creates a completely different hash, which makes it perfect for verifying that something is original and untampered. In short, encryption hides your data. Hashing locks your data in place. Together, they form the backbone of Web3 security. Old-fashioned key hash 2. Public and private keys, your digital identity. Now, let's connect this to something you use directly in Web3, your keys. When you create a crypto wallet, cryptography automatically generates two digital keys for you. A public key and a private key. The public key works like your bank account number. You can safely share it with anyone. It's how people send you crypto. The private key, however, is like your ATM PIN. You never share it. It's the secret that allows you to access and control your funds. Here's how they work together. When you send or receive crypto, encryption ensures your transaction details remain private, while your keys prove that you are the one making or authorizing the transaction. If someone ever gets your private key, they can control everything in your wallet. That's why protecting it is so important. 3. Wallets and seed phrases, where your keys live. Now that you understand keys, let's talk about wallets, where those keys are stored. A wallet in Web3 doesn't actually hold your crypto, it holds your keys, which are your access codes to your assets on the blockchain. You can think of it like a digital keychain that keeps your public and private keys safe. Every wallet also gives you a seed phrase, a list of 12 or 24 random words like river, apple, stone, tiger, moon, echo. That seed phrase is your master backup key. If you lose your phone or delete your wallet app, you can recover everything using that phrase. But if someone else gets it, they can recover your wallet too. So, never store it online. Write it down and keep it somewhere private and offline. Ballpoint pen hash 4. Digital signatures and transaction verification. How trust works. Finally, let's connect it all together with digital signatures. Whenever you send a transaction, your wallet uses your private key to sign it digitally. This signature doesn't reveal your private key. Instead, it proves that the transaction really came from you. Then, other computers on the blockchain, called nodes, verify that signature using your public key. If everything checks out, your transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain. This process, powered by cryptography, ensures that no one can fake your identity or spend your crypto without permission. White heavy check mark. In summary, cryptography ties everything in Web3 together. Encryption keeps your information private. Hashing ensures your data isn't changed. Keys control access to your funds. Wallets safely store those keys. Digital signatures verify every action you take. All of these elements work hand in hand to build a system of trust without middlemen, the true heart of Web3. Follow Calascript for more videos.